Welcome to Akahi Update. My name is Joseph Iyaji. I'm here to solve these EGL questions with you. EGL here means English language. And the question number 1, we have, I have blanked some water already. This question requires our understanding of the appropriate usage of verb. Okay, so whenever you have this kind of verb, anomalous verb, they are of 3 forms: has and had. Whenever any of these forms is used, the next verbal element will be a past participle verb. So from our options, question 1, drunk is in past participle form. So that would be the correct answer here. I have drunk some water already. Not I've drank. This drank is in past form. Drink is in the present plural form. While drinks is in the present singular form. Question 2. Mary has blanked that blank in the church before. Mary has died. So what we need here is a past participle form and a nominal element here. So the option 1 is not correct because we have a past tense verb here. This one is correct, but the second side is still a verbal element in its participle form. So it's not correct. This is not correct because this is a verb, a past tense verb. And this is correct, but it's not suitable for this case. So our correct answer is song. Mary has sung that song. Song here is a noun in the church before. Number 2, the correct answer is option D. Question 3, we have blanked the building of our house. We have blanked, okay? Have, don't forget, the rule is that whenever you have any of this form of the anomalous verb, the next verb, that is the main verb, will be a past participle form, not past tense. Please take note of that. So our answer here, past tense, is not correct. Begin, present plural, began, yes, singular. So the answer to question 3 is option D. We have begun the building of our house. Question 4, has the verb blank? Here we have the continuous form, and the rule says that when we have has or have or had, the next verb will be what? A past participle verb will be required. So the past participle from this option is, from the list of options given to us, is option C. Has the verb been wrong? Not this. Question 5. I have blanked marathon several times. I have blanked marathon several times. Run, 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 run. Of course, this one is not correct. We can't use a past tense, so this is out of it. What we need after have is what? A past participle. Yes, run is present and is also a past participle form of the verb run. Okay, so we say I have run marathon several times. So the correct answer here is option B, run. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget, this tutorial is sponsored by Akahi Tutors, Ile-ife. Akahi Tutors is located at number 67 Oduduwa College Road, off Sabo Junction, in the heart of Ile-ife. Should you are interested, you can call the number displayed on your screen. Okay, Akahi Tutors is currently preparing students who are interested in post-UTME, pre-degree, School of Nursing, and JUPEP entrance exam. Thank you for joining me. My name is Joseph Iyaji, and don't forget, this is Akahi Update. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please hit on the subscription button. Thank you.